Everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Tinkercad in 2026. If you're new to Tinkercad and want to start creating 3D models, circuits, or coding projects, the first step is creating a free account. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Tinkercad website. Once the homepage loads, look for the *sign up * or join now * button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page, and click it. Next, you'll be asked how you'd like to create your account. Depending on the options currently available, you can sign up using your Google account, Apple account, Microsoft account, or an email address. Choose the option that works best for you. If you decide to sign up with your email address, enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure your password is unique and contains a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to help keep your account secure. After entering your information, review the terms of service and privacy policy if you'd like, then accept the required terms and continue with the registration process. In some cases, Tinkercad may ask you to verify your email address. If that happens, open your email inbox, find the verification message from Tinkercad, and click the verification link. Once your email is confirmed, return to the Tinkercad website and sign in with your new account. After logging in for the first time, you'll be taken to your personal dashboard. From here, you can create new 3D designs, build electronic circuits, explore coding activities, and access all of Tinkercad's beginner-friendly tools. Your account will also save your projects online, allowing you to access them from any supported computer with an internet connection simply by signing in. And that's how to sign up for Tinkercad in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Tinkercad tutorials and 3D design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.